Eh, lalo nga, no, isang beses, yung isang congressman, former congressman, si Attorney Chong, narinig niyo naman siguro yun. Sabi, sasampalin ko yung kayo nga daw po.
Di ba?
Narinig niyo po yun? Ano pong naramdaman niya?
My first reaction was, you're an officer of the court.
Opo.
And then he says, we cheated. Pero nandun siya nung counting. Nandun siya. He was part of our election team. So why will you wait 1 year to say that we cheated? Diba? Eh, nandun ka. Every meeting nandun ka. But, you know, they say you're the size of your enemy. Yan mo na siya. I hope he wins for, I don't know what, congressman or governor or whatever.
And all the rest, yung iba pong mga taong siguro parang nagkakasama-sama sila, pero mga dati nyo silang mga kasama. Paano nyo siya
You want me to mention names?
Yes.
Let's say, for example, SAS, okay? SAS and RJ, you know, I met them because they were sued for cyber libel. So they came to me, pro bono. Ako naman, I would write because I was on leave that time. I didn't know that SAS was a guy. Okay? So my affidavit said, she did. Sabi ni Jenny, ma'am, lalaki yan. Huh? So, I mean, I did all that, di ba? So, 3 years pro bono. Tapos bigla na lang, something happened. We went to court. She made a deal with the other side and took RJ away. So I'm like, teka muna. Medyo makapal yan, pro bono, 3 years, tapos you'll fire our law firm. Diba? Naku, I didn't want to tell my partners. Parang, tapos ngayon, kung anong sinasabi, parang, why are you doing that? But, well, if you're happy that way, there's such a thing as karma. I'm sure after 1,500 days, you'll stop talking about me.
Si Maharlika.
Maharlika. I met Maharlika in 1997. We were still in Ilocos. Her name, can I come to your house? So she came. I didn't know her from Adam. Video. That was, I think Bong was governor pa din.
Nga po.
And then, during elections, she was there. Then bigla na lang gumanon. Sabi ko, ha? Okay, if that, wow. I hope the money you got is worth the friendship you lost. Let me put it that way. Huwag mo na patulan.
But is
You
it...
know, there's a saying, unhappy people will want you to be equally unhappy. Diba? Tayo, unhappy ba tayo? Tawa lang tayo ng tawa.
Opo, pero alam nyo, again, babalik ako dun sa araw-araw siyang nag-vlog, araw-araw may nagre-repost. Hindi naman kakaunting tao ang madaling maniwala sa Pilipinas.
Don't you think there's a designed effort?
Yan ang pupuntahan ko. Nakikita niyo ba na merong concerted effort?
You think? I don't think it takes di ba? Of course.
Nga po?
Sino gumagawa niyan?
Sino po?
Tanungin ko sa'yo.
Is it all about money?
Hindi, ito na lang sila ginagawa. If you're the president of the Philippines and I'm the Pierce lady, Pierce sa palagay mo ba, hindi ko kaya gawin yan? Ay, Diyos ko, tawagin mo lang yung Romania. Kaya ka, but it has to stop. This cannot be. Hindi ganon yung Pinoy. Let them do their thing. Sa palagay mo ba, hindi namin kaya gawin yan? You're the president of the country.
Well, actually, marami nga po ang nagsasabi na pagkadali-dali sa inyo, you're the first lady, si Presidente.
Pierce lady. Don't say that.
Hindi po ba, ang dali-dali ninyong gumawa ng paraan to take this YouTube accounts down, Facebook accounts down, TikTok accounts down. Bakit niyo ginagawa?
Isipin mo, when Bong ran for president, he won by 30 million. We did not cheat. You think we're going to cheat? Try losing by 225. Nandun ka, di ba? Ang sakit, Kuya Eddie. So what they were making patikos to Bong, did Bong ever answer? No, because he said, I will not dignify that. And look, he won by 30M. I'd like to think because people believed in him. So now it's harder because he's the president, right? And the gut feeling is fight back, put them down. Why will you do that? What did you accomplish? Down na sila eh. To talk trash, that's really, kung ganun siya, that's it. Di ba? Okay, let's take it to the logical conclusion. Oh, let's stop it. Let's put them in jail. Let's libel. O ngayon, what will happen? Sino, you know what I mean?
Naintindihan ko po.